So good evening everyone. I am addressing your book and about to present to you measures of central tendency for ungrouped data, which is also known for mean, median, and mode. So first, let's discuss what is mean, median, and mode. Introduction. Measures of central tendency describes data set center. The three main measures are mean, the average of all values; median, the middle value when sorted; mode, the most frequently occurring value. Mean formula. Mean is equals to sum of all values divided by number of values. Example, numbers are 10, 20, 30. So mean, we can also derive this as mean is equals to sum of all numbers, so 10, 20 plus 30 is divided by, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3 divided by 3. So x mean is equals to 10 plus 20 plus 30 is 60. 60 divided by 3, x mean is equals to 20. So that's how we found the x mean. So next is the median. The median the median is the median value when the data is arranged in order. If there is an even number of values, take the average of two middle values and divide it by 2. So, for example, if we have a value of 10, 20, 30, 60, and 90, as we can see, there are even numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, if it is odd, the center is the median. Now, how about if it is even? Let's assume that 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there is 6. 6 is an even number. So we take the both center, add it up together, 2 plus 3, and divided by 2. So the median of this data set is 2.5. Now let's proceed to the last, which is the mode. The mode is the most frequently occurring value in the data set. A data set can have no mode, one mode unimodal, two modes bimodal, and more than two modes multimodal. So if we can see in the data set, have a number of, let's assume salary of an employee. So let's assume 10,000, 12,000, 13, 20, another 12, and 12. So as we can see, they're repetitive or the duplicate numbers, which is 12. So we can assure that this is the mode of this data set. Now let's try to solve some problem solving. So first is problem 1. The daily high temperatures Fahrenheit for a week were 72, 75, 78, 74, 80, 76, and 79. Find the mean, median, and mode. So first is the mean. We derive this as x mean is equals to summation of all numbers, which is 72 plus 75 plus 78 plus 74 plus 80 plus 76 plus 79 divided by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 7. So let's sum it together. 70, 72 plus 75 plus 78 plus 74 plus 80 plus 76 plus 79 is equal to 534 divided by 7 equals to divided by 76.2854, 76.29. Now let's find the median. The median is the centermost of this data set. So as we can see, first rule is to sort it out from decreasing to increasing, or less numbers to higher value. So the last number is 72, followed by 74, next is 75, next is 76, next is 78, 79, and lastly 80. So second is we count how many numbers are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is odd digit numbers here. So let's find the centermost, which is the number 4. So then the median will be 76. Now to find the mode, let's find out what number is repeating in this process. As we can see, there is no such numbers that is repetitive. So we can conclude that there is no mode in this process. Now let's proceed to problem number 2. Students score for the 5 quizzes were 85, 92, 88, 95, and 88. Calculate the mean, median, and mode. First, let's calculate the mean. X mean is equals to 85 plus 92 plus 88 plus 95 plus 88. Divided by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Divided by 5. So 85 plus 92 plus 88 plus 95 plus 88 is equals to 448 divided by 5. We have 89.6. To find the median, we arrange this in order from least to greatest. So we have 85, followed by 88, followed by 88, followed by 92, and lastly the 95. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's an odd number. So to come up with this, 3 is the middlemost. So the median is equal to 88. To find the mode, what is the repetitive number in this data set? So we can see that the repetitive number is 88 and 88. So therefore, we can conclude that the mode is 88 and 88. So I think let's proceed to number 3 problem. Numbers of customers visiting a coffee shop during 6 hours were 15, 22, 18, 25, and 18. So, let's find the mean, median, mode. X summation is equal to the summation of 15 plus 22 plus 18 plus 25 plus 20 plus 18. Divided by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Divided by 6. So x means 15 plus 22 plus 18 plus 25 plus 20 plus 18 divided by 6. This is 59. find the median. Let's arrange it in order again. So 15. Next is 18. 18. 22. No. It's 20. 22. 25. So as we can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There, 6 is an even number. So what we do here to find the median is we find the central rows of these numbers, which is 3, and 4. Let's add it together and divide it by 2. So 18 plus 20 is equals to 38. 38 divided by 2 is 19. So therefore, the median of this data set is equivalent to 19. To find the mode, let's find what is the repetitive numbers during this data set. As we can see, the repetitive number is 18. Where we can see the 18 number or the 18 digit twice in this data set. So the mode you can see 18 is the repetitive number here in the data set. Now let's proceed to problem number 4. The weights in pounds of 6 pumpkins are 3.5, 4.2, 3.8, 4.0, 4.2, 3.7. Find the mean, median, and mode. X summation of all numbers, which is 3.5 plus 4.2 plus 3.8 plus 4.0 plus 4.2 plus 3.7. Let's count how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 divided by 6. Let's sum it all together. 3.5 plus 4.2 plus 3.8 plus 4.0 plus 4.2 plus 3.7 is equal to 23.4 divided by 6. So 23.4 divided by 6. The answer is 3.9. So the mean of this data set, or the average, is 3.9. Now to find the median, all we need to do is arrange it in order from the least to greatest. So as we can see, the least number is 3.5, followed by 3.7, followed by 3.8, followed by 4.0, followed by 4.2, followed by 4.2. So as we can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers again. So all we need to do is find the middlemost number, which is 3.8, and 4.0 divided it by 2. Plus 4.0 divided by 2. So 3.8 plus 4.0 is 7.8 divided by 2. You can come about 3.9 again. So the median of this data set is equivalent to 3.9. And to find the mode, what we need to do is find what is the repetitive number, or the numbers that is found thrice in this data set. So as we can see, the repetitive number here in this data set is 42, which we can see twice in this data set. Now, last number, or the problem 5 that we need to solve, is this. A small library recorded 25 to 20. Calculate the mean, median, and mode. And lastly, answers which measure best represents the typical number of rows borrowed and explain your answers. So as we can see, to find the mean, we need to do the summation of all these numbers, which is 12 plus 15 plus 18 plus 15 plus 20 divided by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5 equals to 12 plus 15 plus 18 plus 15 plus 20. So we have 80 divided by 5 is equals to 16. The average of numbers 12, 15, 18, 15, and 20, where the mean is 16. To find the median, you need to arrange it in order. So, arrange first is the least number, which is 12, followed by the second least number, which is 15, 15 and 15, followed by 18, and followed by 20. All we need to do is count how many numbers are there, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which is add, so the centermost number will become our median. So the median of this number, median, is equals to 15. To find the mode, we need to find the selective number here in this scenario, which is also 15. So mode is equals to 15. As we can see, we find the mean, median, and mode. But that is not the question. We also need to answer which measure best represents the typical number of books borrowed. Explain your reasoning. So, as you can see, we can find that the best explanation is the mode, because in that case we can say that 15 borrowed books that every day for 5 days happens 15, or it happens twice in a 5 days row. So therefore, we can conclude that 15 would be the best represent typical number of books borrowed in this like small library.